Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace a door handle on a GMC Sierra. First, let's get organized. You'll need a few basic tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a socket set. Make sure you have the exact replacement door handle for your specific truck model. Before you begin, park your truck on a flat, safe surface and engage the parking brake. This ensures stability and safety throughout the process. Now let's get to the door panel. Start by carefully prying up the window switch panel and disconnecting its electrical connector. Next, find all the screws holding the door panel in place. Some might be hidden under small plastic caps. Once the screws are out, use your trim removal tool to gently release the clips around the edge of the panel. Finally, lift the entire door panel up and away, disconnecting any other cables like the door lock or handle cables. With the door panel off, you can access the old handle. First, disconnect the rod or cable that connects to the back of the handle mechanism. Then, remove the bolts or screws that hold the handle assembly to the door frame. Once those are out, you can carefully pull the old handle straight out from the exterior of the door. Now, take your new handle, slide it into place, and secure it with the bolts or screws you just removed. Almost done. Reconnect all the cables and electrical connectors to your door panel. Carefully align the door panel clips with their slots and firmly press the panel back into the door. Reinstall all the screws you removed earlier, and don't forget to snap the window switch panel back into place. Test the new handle and window operation to ensure everything works correctly. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.